start here. This is called Momo Road. It's Nenanga even join the other part of the most unique parts in Ghana of Nation Kuja. Uhuru, the coffee estates and all that. But where we're starting is called Thiririka Waterfall. Kuna Thiririka, yani tuna Thiririka. Unaona vile tunashuka. Tuna Thiririka, speedometer, Thiririka, speedometer, speedometer. Yeah. And all that. So the river itself is called Thiririka. It later goes and feeds other rivers. Our main focus is 2 waterfalls for the day, an epic river crossing through big pipes, Zamaji, feed Nairobi. So you'll probably come from Nairobi, so most of the water that you take comes from this side. From Karimenu Dam, from the Keni Dam. Yeah, so you're gonna see much more of that later in the day. But for now, just let's see hapa. Yeah.
Asante kwa kuleta pamoja.
Alright, once again, thank you so much. This is the Thiririka Waterfalls. It's in Gatundu, which is about like 60 something km from Nairobi. So we'll be hiking to 2 waterfalls. This is the first one. It's called the Thiririka Waterfall, and then there's Tumathi, which is the second one, the tallest one. Upper always swim, but Tumathi can swim. As you can see, the waters are quite clear right now, so make sure you dip in your feet pale usikie vizuri. The trail has also a lot. There's also river crossing, which you're going to be crossing through big pipes of Zamagi. So if you have fear of heights, don't worry, we got you. Yeah, so kuvuka to the other side. So the trail has quite a lot of things to experience and to see. So with courtesy of Karori Tours, stay tuned for more. So why stretches zinasaidianga sana to avoid muscle constraints and even kukuwa na hizo muscle cramps during the hike. So inafanya kuwe an easy time when you're doing that. So tutaanza na kichwa of the miguu, and then we'll finish by breathing exercise to ground ourselves.
Show us the example.
So head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes, head, shoulder, knees and toes. Group, I think one thing I would like us to be 3 brothers and sisters keeper. Watch it for the other person. Hatuachani. The rule is we don't leave the other person behind. So make sure the other person, if you're on a struggle, offer a hand. But at the same time, I'm also here to make sure everyone has an efficient and a smooth hike throughout the day. I'm going to try and make sure the paths that Shotumia is well mapped. Sometimes when I'm like staff reroute because of the changes. The trail is in the rural. It's not like it's generic. It's more of what is crafted than what you just go and find in the mountain and all that. So if you can see a hi, if you can see an old person passing, give them space for Peter. Since we're in the space, let's show respect for the people because this is their land. That's one thing. And then the other one is I'd like for us to be respectful of everyone here. I think with the consent everyone has given to be taking videos and all that, which is okay. But when I feel there are times you might feel you don't want to, it's okay. You can just say. You can just say, please hold. Don't. The other one would be let's keep a respectful environment throughout the whole day. Respect everybody's space, and then let's just have a nice time. And then for the trash, carry your trash. Lastly, let's have fun. To Jibambe, and let's get it. Yeah. We can have a fun part. We can have a group photo before we begin. Yeah.
Okay.
It goes all the way to Mutomo. It's close to Uhuru. The bridge is up on a facilitate movement. So people on that side come this side.
Okay.
But it take on land soon. That's what I had.
Umeita Maumau Road.
It's called Maumau Road. Yeah.
All right. Cheers. So yeah, that's the first waterfall. As you can see.
Thiririka Waterfall.
Mnakuwa na hii kila siku? Mnakuwa na hii kila siku?
Nani?
Mnatikisia hii nini? Hii mali safi hii.
Hii.
Nani hii barabara na kupita tu kwa barabara gani? Wow.
So when it is raining, I'm here.
Check out that.
So right now we are at Thiririka Waterfall at the base of the fall. As you can see, magic. This is one of the most magical things about Kenya, is that you have to step outside and you have to find your community to get to such place. With me here is Peter, our local guide, and want to know anything about this place. He's our guide. Yeah. So this is River Thiririka. We'll be here for a while. Just know, challenge to you who you seen this, get out 3 more days. What day?
Sunday.
12th, Sunday, 12th of January.
Yes.
It's like 12 days into the year. What have you done? Challenge to you, get out there and make sure you hit the subscribe button down there so that you get to see much of this. Stay tuned with the one and only, the randomest and the one with the most moneros.
Hey. Hapa tuko na mami water. I don't know if you can hear the breeze. All that is, you can see the mist in the air. Getting some cold air. Very fresh. Yeah. You can see that's the river there, goes all the way. Hi, how are you?
Hi.
What's your name? Your makeup artist.
Yeah.
So today you're here for a shoot?
Yeah, it's just a project, a normal kind of thing we do.
So what's your ID handle?
Things makeup. FCSY makeup.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure.
Whoa. I was interviewing the mermaids.
No, she's Avatar.
Oh, it's Avatar.
I love how abundant nature is. I mean, just look at this water. Like in South, yeah, in a flow too. There's practically just this view. I'm focused.
All right.
This is called Wanjuko Mwekwiria. Or rather, everyone has their own terms. So once you touch it, it has this adaptability of kujikunja.
Touch me not.
Oh, you see?
I
Touch it and then it folds itself. Guza tu ina.
Wow.
Hi. Kuja hapa acha kujifunga.
Can someone replant this?
I don't think they are very rare even to find actually.
You can't replant that?
Nazipatanga nikiwa mtoi. Tunafunga zote.
Wow.
I think you can, but just let nature be who it is. I have a very interesting fact about it. People hate them and everything else, but I'm on the side of loving it. Why? So these trees were brought by the natives, rather zilishikwa from the time go. But then now there's been different species as meletwa. So kuna zile zilikuwa medicinal. You see like that one? Ile nilotumianga for sauna. If you go to sauna and then you have that cripsy nini eucalyptus, zinakuwa zimetoka. It's used part of sauna. It was used kitambo na our forefathers. You know that. So this mti inatumikanga mostly firewood, quick firewood. Hii mtu kikata within a week ishakauka. Ishakauka already. So that means it's easy for you to do your stuff with it. Watch out brother, there's a tuk-tuk nyuma. And there's a kutuku. Yeah, so that's a very interesting fact about them. And they're very good also for timber. And yes, like 10 years, ishamea, cut it, plant another one. So like I never see a problem with them. The only issue is people plant them close to the river, inanyonya maji, inamaliza. But hii kunyangi maji, a banana tree consumes around 3,000 liters of water yearly. If you cut a banana tree, iko na maji mingi kuliko a whole eucalyptus. Facts. Those are facts. So eucalyptus are even, mtu akisikudanganya tena kunywanga maji meni haribu environment, it doesn't. The only thing that it does, inafanyanga the area around it, things won't grow because, yeah, it absorbs the maji, but it doesn't feed back to the, feeding your maji mechukua back to earth. Inaichumianga for its sustainability and all that. So that's the interesting thing about eucalyptus. Banana tree, unlike you kunywa maji mingi kuliko any other tree. Yeah, facts. Thank you. So
the big one.
Now, these are the newly piped zimejengwa. These are now from the Karimenu Dam. These are now feed into Nairobi. One here, what happens? I guess. Hizi sasa ndizo zimepeleka maji, they are from Karimenu Dam. They got completely done the other day. So these are the new ones. And then we have these other ones here. Hizi sasa ndizo zimeshikwa hapa from Memory. Hizi za Nakaini Dam. So zina feed maji into Nairobi. These are not the only pipes that pass here. There are so many other pipes that go around. If you go, there's a trail we have called Nyakashiru. You'll find so many big pipes. You'll find exactly such pipes like this. There's enough feed maji into Nairobi. Nairobi is fed by a lot of water, but you know, there's that scarcity. But unfortunately, the local people never benefit from maji yanatoka kwao. We just hope sometimes, you know, the government might reconsider also making sure that there's tapped water for the people when yako huko. Even having those tanks, kwenye inapita inaekwa tank, maji inafanywa clean huko, alafu kidogo the community is given, but people have interests zenye azialign na za kila mtu.
And the dam?
And the dam.
Where is it? Is it far?
The dam is a bit far from here. I don't like the din of dams because once kwenye dam imejengwa, the homes around there, watu wanaleteanga ugonjwa. Things called pneumonia. Cold. Maji iko still, so there's a lot of coldness around the area. So unapata watu wanapata pneumonia. And then on top of that, maji ikikaa pahali, maji huanza kujichimbia from chini. So you might find mko na washroom pahali in a sink. Mko na borehole hivyo. So that's what water does. If it's already stagnant, you huanza kujitafutia spaces huku. That's why you hear dams expand because there's no walls zimejengwa on the side, which I feel should be done.
So
but
it's meant to flow. Water is meant to flow.
It's meant to flow. Kwa dam maji inafaa kuwa inaingia ikitoka. But sasa wanaekanga inaingia, there's an outlet once there's an overflow. Since there's no overflow, the water is still. Yeah, but it's a benefit to the people who are definitely not in Nairobi, but demise for the people who are here. Anyways, this is the bridge we'll be crossing through. Enjoy. If you have any issues, we'll guide you through. And let's get it. Let's get it.
This thing is not even scary.
Hell no.
Ribando.
Now I have to keep on bending.
Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall. Rise above the door, meet all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat them all. I'm never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again. Yeah. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go.
Oh, guys.
Oh, yeah.
In the video, it might seem flat, but look at my legs. Look at the curve. Oh, man. I've been doing this, and I'm doing it for you. You too. Guys, subscribe.
Oh, yeah.
Tough one, eh?
It's a really tough one. Wait. Whoa.
You know,
Yeah?
Someone who's thinking of climbing Kilimanjaro, and this is tough for him.
Kilimanjaro, here we come.
Believe in myself and life will be sweet again. So sweet again. Oh na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I'll be running from my doom. Oh na 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 na. But now it's time to live my life, but now I know what I need to do. Can't stand right when it's blowing, pushing me down.
Mpesa. Nimepiga na Mpesa. So that's Kilimambogo. Yeah. Tuko Abadeas bana. Tuko dhao bana.
Tangu ile dhara.
Ndio nilikupigisha tangu nikatu Gatondo pale chini. Kapanda mlima.
For real, amoni za clouds zinakaa tu.
Naita cumulus. Cumulus.
Ona kwa kapat.
I can't fight this feeling no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall. Rise above it all. Feet on my challenges, search for my strength. I defeat them all. I never ever gonna hide no more. I've come to love myself again. For all the things I didn't know, the pain that hurt, I let it go. Let it go. And I start to believe in myself, and life will be sweet
Hey.
Hapa na Joli Dam yuko hadi kwenye ule ameanisha nguo chetu. Ona mtu anafua nguo kwa mbele. Hiyo yote ilikuwa ngaoni.
Alafu kafungulia.
Wakati ile maji bila lino juu hapo wamemaliza kuchimba. Tunaona hii sababu kwa ndio sio rambo level hii hapa. Ona. Nyuma yote hii. Hapa wapi? Ni hapa.
oh na na, oh na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I'll be running from my doom. Oh na 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 na. But now it's time to live my life, but now I know what I need to do. Oh na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I'll be running from my doom. Oh na 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 na. But now it's time to live my life, but now I know what I need to do.
This is a spring.
It is not easy.
Look at these guys.
We are here, guys.
They're done.
No.
So guys, this is my weekend. Today is Sunday. I brought you with me. We are going on a hike. This is Random Manenos, always giving you the best thing. Look at this thing. This is like how many feet up? 50 feet high, you know. Quite big. I don't know. The camera can't show justice, but you can see the breeze coming. So yeah, always follow Random Manenos. Every month you have something awesome to show you. Keep it locked.
Look at that crazy guy.
I was down there, man. Just saw me. Look at that pop.
We were with Sam, by the way, Sam from Karori Tours, and we've had an amazing experience. So maybe he can tell you some more details about what he does.
Thing that is on button put, I'm just about to tell you guys. So Karori Tours is all about hikes, adventure, connection, wellness, and all that. We have weekly events, monthly, yearly, quarterly, all that events happening throughout the whole year. So if you want to hike, you want to connect with your family, if you want to connect with your friends, if you want to connect with your church mates, friends mates, we got you. We have trails curated, generic actually. We are proud to say that we actually make the trails. Why? In conjunction with the local communities. An example, where we are today, this is conjunction with Peter from Thiririka Waterfalls. So it's been amazing, and I hope we can plug you to the most amazing waterfalls and most amazing trails in Kenya. So check us out on IG at Karori Tours, Facebook Karori Tours, Twitter at Karori Samuel _1. You like it? Because we're number one in the industry.
What's your mobile number? Kenya number?
Mobile number is at +254 69 79 78 64. Check us out, call us on WhatsApp, we'll add you to the group, all share the information. If you need like a private thing, we'll plug you up with that. We do also safaris, backpacking tours, we also do tours to the beach tours and all that. So there's just more to go to with Karori Tours. All about wellness, it's a lifestyle.
How often do you do this?
Every day, all day. That's how we do it. Yeah,
so what do you have planned for the year?
There's a lot for the year. We're going to explore the northern part of Kenya. We also plan to do Africa at large. Plans to visit Rwanda. Plans to visit South Africa through Mozambique. So the plans are there. So we look forward to seeing you up there and sharing the plan with you guys. So yeah, just check us out. We'll have the plans. Newsletters on our email. We'll share to all the people who are subscribed to that. So straight up, you subscribe to Random Manenos.
Come on.
Like, share, and spread the word. We are one. We are the community that shares love, adventure, and all. Connection and wellness at large.
I've had an amazing day. As usual, 10 over 10. For me, this was also a birthday treat, given that this is my birthday month. I feel quite recharged for the year.
Your scale, as nilisema, ilivunjika.
So my feedback is I had an awesome time. So yeah, see you on the next video. Cheers.
Gracias.